Welcome, friends. We want to say a very big thank you for tagging along and being diligent with your studies and lessons upwards in this point. We want to say a very big thank you to everybody. However, in this module, it is good that you understand that we can't just dash straight into Photoshop. Even if we're about to explain it, it is good that you understand the basic and the fundamentals of design. So I'm sure that before you come to this point, you must have mastered the materials that were given to you. Because Photoshop is like every other design environment. Like Figma, like XD, like your CorelDRAW. But what makes your design stands out is not the tool. So what I'm trying to establish is that it is just an interface, a spot to work. So you must have understood what design fundamentals are. It is when you do that you will know what to do exactly in Photoshop. I mean, you will start to use the tools creatively. If not, you will just learn the tools and learn how to do one or two things, and that will just be the end. So I want to encourage you by saying that please go back to those materials and ensure you have read and mastered them. Welcome. So when we are saying Photoshop, we are saying an endless world of possibilities. It is just left to your imagination. People do a lot of things. Even photographers sometimes use Photoshop other than Lightroom. So a lot can be carried out and carried on in Photoshop. So I want to encourage you to brace up as I welcome you to this module. We are going to be going together, and I'm sure it's going to be a very smooth ride. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.